There he is. What's up, AOTC fam? If you're new here, I'm Adam. We fish all around the Midwest, Nebraska, Iowa, South Dakota, etc. for anything that'll bite. Mainly bass, but you know, we're not opposed to multi-species, crappie, catfish, all that good stuff. But today, we are on another river excursion. Trying to get up here more as much as I can on the Nebraska-South Dakota border. And would you look at that? There it is behind us. Beautiful river. Beautiful place to be up here. One of my favorite places to fish. But yeah, we're gonna try and go from some smallmouth, or maybe even largemouth too. There's a few places I want to explore a little bit that may have less moving water, and the water's pretty high right now. So I might be able to get further back into some of the creeks that I usually can't. And there's an interesting creek that looks like it has some fairly decent water in it all the time, not just when the water's high. So we're gonna go back there and see if we can find it and pull anything out of there. It's fun to go explore. We're in the tin rig again today, as you can tell. So should be easier to navigate than in a big glass boat like I usually am. So that's what we're gonna do today. And it should be a fun one. It's pretty hot out, 86 right now. Water temps are probably in the 70s, I think, with the moving water, maybe even low 60s. Real clear water up here because we're going above where the water dumps in from another river. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try, and hopefully you like the video. Stay tuned. All right, we are up the creek. We made it up. It's a lot shallower back here than I was hoping it would be, but well, it's 7 foot where I'm at right now, but in the middle, it appears that there's sandbars, but this looks decent right here. So we're gonna give this a shot and see what happens. We're also out of the wind because the wind is whipping today. It's white capping out there. That doesn't necessarily bode well to a bass tracker, but we're gonna make do. We're gonna see what we can, I don't even know, tempt up. Nice mud line. Probably super shallow. Is it right there, or? Oh no, it's not. Just a mud line. Interesting. I don't know if you guys can see that mud line right there or not, but very pronounced. I'm gonna try and. Sometimes they'll sit on the dirty edge of that and wait for stuff from the clear to drift by them and ambush them. So that could bode well potentially. The wind is stirring it up back here, so we might see how that fishes. And it's nice because right up there it comes right along the weed line there, so might play well if there's enough depth back here, but I don't know if there is or not. We're gonna see, so stay tuned. Oh, carp swirling on it? What was that? Nope, I don't know what that was. Grass? Something. That was weird. I think it was carp. All right, nothing doing in the creek. So we're back out on the bars, the old bars. Gonna give these a try with the old blade for a little bit. See what happens. Ew, gross. Oh, got it. Oh, wow. He is an acrobatic one. Is he still? No, he came off. Probably should have said the hook on him. Oh, there's my answer on topwater right away. Should have known. Smallies love topwater. Oh, there's a pheasant. It's kind of cool. Whoa, Mr. Raccoon. Hello. Do you guys see that? Probably not, but you never know. That's cool. Holy sh**. What was that? Oh. No, damn it. What just happened? I don't know what just happened right there. And outside. You are good luck, I swear. I just caught one. Telling you, you are literally good luck. I know. Okay. Quick picture. See you, buddy. That's a good one. Whoa. That was unexpected. Kind of came out of nowhere. Another one. They're pretty ones down here. Flip and bite is apparently the deal today. Wish I would have started that sooner, but what are you gonna do? Alright. Good fish. See you, buddy. Oh, I totally missed him. Damn it. I was not paying attention at all. Wow, they're finicky though. He had it. There's one. Oh my gosh, he spit it. Man, they're just not getting. God dang. They're just not, like, I don't even know what, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like they're taking it under, but they're just not getting it. There he is. Got him. Right as he was feeding on bait. That was pretty cool. Took me long enough to get one like that. Oh. Oh, come on. Get in the net. There you go. Nice, buddy. Took me long enough. God dang, man. Right as they were feeding on bait on that point. That was kind of neat. There we go. Look at that one. Pretty one. Pretty 2-pounder. See you, bud. Well, that does it, folks. All right, OTC fam, on our way back. Kind of a tough day, honestly. I feel like I missed a ton for no one's fault but my own. Missed a lot on topwater. They were not committing, or I was not hooking them. Probably I was not hooking them for the most part, but so that wasn't super awesome. But yeah, that was really the gist of it. I ended up with like 3, I think. Could have been a lot more, but anyway, we're still happy. The wind was ripping out there, and it was going the opposite way of the current, so I couldn't figure out which way it was up and which way it was right or left, because the wind and current were competing against one another. So that was a hard battle for boat positioning and things, but we managed. We caught some. Can't complain. It's another day on the river. I love coming up here, like I always say. It's always a challenge, always leaves you wanting more. Classic, exactly what you can ask for. So hopefully you enjoyed. We're gonna try and get out more up here, get up here as much as possible. So stay tuned for more, and hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.